Hello guys, I'm currently in Blue Ridge, Georgia, and I'm getting ready to board my train. Enjoy the video. I am now going to get on. So yeah, again, enjoy the video. Yeah, I am on board. This is the actual open air car, just saying. And here is the old Santa Fe car, former Santa Fe car. So yeah, I am now going to give you a tour of the entire consist. Here is the front of the train, and yeah, here is the car history. Pause it if you'd like to read, and now I will go. Excuse me. This is the seating in the Santa Fe car.
He's had Matt, right?
And I'm entering the vestibule. Excuse me.
Sure.
With Matt? You want to do that?
Still want, I mean, do you have motion?
No, because you didn't know.
Yep, say that. 549, you're gonna go through this car.
And then here is my car. Former Canadian National car, that's all I really know about it. Vestibule. And I don't know what this car is. History. Vestibule. And here. Car history again. And then gift shop, dining, whatever you want to call it. This is only a 2-hour trip, by the way, just to let you know. So it's not like I'm gonna be here overnight, but I am going overnight to Chicago in a couple of weeks. So, ooh, another really nice vestibule. This car. Oh wait, no, history plaque, I guess, is over here. This is the handicap car. I guess it doesn't have a history. I guess it was maybe built for this purpose. Another open air car. Here.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. We're glad to have you with us this afternoon. This is our 2-hour excursion train to Kaysville, Copper Hill, and return. Our concession car located here in the middle of the train is open and all sorts of snacks, food, water, souvenirs.
I just realized, some of these cars do not actually have the plaques. Ooh, this is a premium car.
You would like them?
Can't see you.
So yeah, this is another one of the cars.
That's alright, that's just my question.
And that is the end of the train. This is goes private. So yeah.
It's very thoughtful of you, very humbling, sorry.
These are good.
I will get back to you when the train departs the station. So yeah, I'm settled in the actual open air car, and yeah, I'm ready to depart. I guess hot chocolate. It is like 30 degrees outside. So yeah.
My name's Chip. I'm gonna be with y'all for the next 2 hours.
Hello guys, I don't know what these cars are. I just wanted to record them just so someone can find out in the comments. So the like the fast speed didn't just like make it to where like you couldn't see them at all. So yeah. New York Central. This one I have no idea. Then you have this one. I can only identify the first passenger car as a New York Central. So yeah. Here's this little area. I just wanted to put this. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah. This is one of the reasons why I love traveling by rail. It just has really good views, and to me, it's really fun. So yeah. Get back to you. Oh, look here. Wow. So I just wanted some gear. Okay, this is another reason too. It's just, you don't see stuff like this on a plane or a car. So yeah, I will get back to you when I see something else interesting. Here's a pretty cool thing. You can kind of see the legs of the train. So yeah, just want to record this too. One of the few railroads where like, there's like a sharp turn every 5 seconds it feels like. I love it. So yeah. So we are currently passing along this river. Okay, I know, I should know the name of it, but I don't. Because I don't study stuff like that, I just study rail. So yeah, just wanted to make a little update. On the other side, trees, and oh, yeah. So yeah, I'll get back to you whenever I see another. Just a green, beautiful green. And a loud train horn. So yeah, I was gonna make these updates. That's how this video is gonna work. Updates every what, 5 minutes? I'm putting, yeah, here's good view, right? Yep. So, how am I liking it so far? I'm about 20 minutes in, and I really like it. So the track is decent. It's like, on a scale of how good it is, I'd rate it like a 7. Good enough to ride on, but still bumpy. But not, I really don't mind track conditions, as long as it won't cause a derailment. So yeah. Next update. Oh yeah. Another update. We are currently on another turn, slight turn. So yeah. I might go inside the enclosed car, because to be completely honest, it is so cold. Like, I'm talking, it's 20 degrees outside. So that's cold for me since, well, I'm from a hot state. I'm just on vacation, so we decided to stop by here to ride it, just so I can get some content, and because I enjoy train rides. I genuinely enjoy them. So yeah. I just chose it because I felt like it. So yeah. I switch sides whenever there's a good view. See you in the next update. Update, not video. It's probably hard to hear me. Easily the loudest part of the train. So I keep forgetting how loud this car is. It's so loud. So yeah, just a view. I'm just gonna let you just chill here, watching the beautiful tides. So much more comfortable inside the inside cars. It's just you get better views in this car though. If you don't like freezing cold temperatures, it's not always freezing cold. Sometimes, most of the time it's cold. Or just on some days of the year, like November, December, January, February. Most of it is cold. There's not those months of the year.
All right, we are approaching a Native American fish trap.
There's not those times you just go outside. An observation I made is this train's a lot
Front of that
louder.
green dot, you're going to see a rock formation in the form of the letter B. Alright? That is a Native American fish trap. There's one of 5 that are on this river. They're dated over 500 years old. Predate both the Cherokee and the Creek Indians that inhabited this area. And I'll talk to you more about it in just a moment. Alright, Mom, I'm going to get past you here.
Where are these fish traps? If you've heard of them, there's a Native American fish trap. Should be somewhere. If you spot it, then you have really good eyes. It's in the shape of a V. I probably am not going to be able to spot it.
All right, what they did was they would stack rocks in the river in the form of a letter P. They would, the children would get in the river and splash the water, driving the fish into the head of the V. And the adults would use a net, a basket, maybe an old Home Depot bucket, and get the fish out. Now, they've identified these same fish traps in other rivers in this region. Like I said, it predates both the Cherokee and the Creek Indians. We believe possibly the peoples that put those there were part of what they call the Mississippians that inhabited North America prior to the Europeans coming. 500 years would be about simultaneous with the first Ponce de Leon and some of those Spanish explorers.
So yeah. One of the people on board just gave a little backstory to these fish traps, so yeah. I'm gonna just give it an uninterrupted view. Gosh, these cars are so cold. Ow, so cold. Yeah, like it's so cold. some indoor views because it's like really cold out there. So I can't. Yeah. So that's really all I have to say. And there's a deer. There's a deer. Yeah. At the start of this video, if you put it in slow motion, you probably could have seen a deer. But it's gone now, obviously. So yeah, this river is really beautiful. I really like it. So is these forests. If you notice, it's really loud in the background. So that's why I'm sort of almost screaming right now. I really like this scenic railroad. So, in what, 2 weeks? Maybe, yeah, 2 weeks I'm going to be riding the city of New Orleans all the way to Chicago. And it's going to be, the first half is going to be in sleeper, and the next half is going to be in coach. I'm going to compare them in that video. I just got to advertise my next video real quick. What about my next? I don't know. Just enjoy the view.
Pass the paper bag.
Now the quietest place on the entire train is in the concessions car. That's really funny in my opinion. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna record. Like, look, I'm just sticking my thing up. One of the baggage. So some history on this car. It used to be a Northern Pacific baggage car. I'm pretty sure. There is a thing, but I don't like reading those because then it spoils all the fun of me finding out what this car did, blah, 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 blah. I'll check out on the end of the trip, you know. I don't want to ruin the fun for me, so. Identifying, like, what the car did or something, I don't know. But I like looking at that stuff. Probably going to look at it after the thing's done.
What are you doing, brother?
I'm recording a video.
Oh, you're making a cool video? Awesome.
It's the quietest place on the entire train. I'm currently in because like it's another quiet place in the train, fairly quiet. And also to me it's a pretty cool view. Because I'm currently in the vestibule, so like it's actually the space in between the two cars. Well, not in between, just like here is the diaphragm gangway. And then here is like the vestibule. Essentially essentially just before you get into the gangway, you arrive in the vestibule. And here's a steel girder bridge that we are crossing. I wish you would have been outside for that.
Before we put the windows in, we're pretty strict. We make everybody sit down, make sure we get the kids close to tow. There are phones down there too, though. We make everybody sit so they put their phone on the end of a selfie stick. They stick it out the window. Down goes the phone. So you saw how close that bridge was. About 2 weeks ago, I had a young girl sitting right here in front of me. Thankfully, at first she wasn't paying attention. She stuck her phone all the way out to her friend's place. She grabbed it and put it back in. Now, there are phones down there. So far, I've got a perfect record. Nobody's dropped or lost a phone on my watch. So I got about another 2 weeks to go. I'm trying to get the whole year for me. I know that it's a little bit more less likely, but you never know. So I'll say that.
So essentially it switched sides. Now the mountain is on the other side. imagine not being in a train right now. Actually, I can't imagine that because I'm probably going to get off in 5 seconds, so. Yeah, I love this riding. I wish more people would do it. It's like, sure, cars are like cool, but to me, trains are better for the environment. That's why I like them. We are currently stopping in McKaysville. About to stop there. Essentially, it goes to McKaysville and then comes back. It's around a 2-hour-long trip in total. Okay, we are now in Tennessee. We just crossed the state line. So yeah, we are officially in Tennessee. I'm acting like I've never been here. I've been here many times. Oh, it's Toco River. That's the river. Sorry that I just realized that. Scenic Railroad. The Great Smoky Mountain Railroad. Railroad I'd one day like to see, but I've actually never rode on a standard gauge steam locomotive. I've only rode on a narrow gauge Durango and Silverton. That was what, 2 years ago? So quite a while ago. Before I started my channel. I wish I would have recorded that, but sadly I'm probably never going to go back there because that's like 20 hours from my hometown. No, that's like 30 hours from my hometown. We're essentially riding along the state line. We are about to like turn around because there was an engine on the end of our train. So we're essentially just going to stop moving and then go in the other direction. There's got to be a grade crossing. No, there isn't. Now we are back in Georgia, I think. So yeah. So it's not quite the end of this video because, well, it's technically only half the trip, but getting close there. So I really am happy that you joined me in this video, even though it's not quite over. So yeah. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah. I'll post more videos like this in the future. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.